can I help you with?
What is the Fairfax County Food and Beverage Tax?
Starting January 1st, 2026, Fairfax County will implement a 4% food and beverage tax on meals sold by restaurants, caterers, and other food establishments throughout the county. The Fairfax County Food and Beverage Tax will not apply to towns within Fairfax County.
What is being taxed?
The 4% tax applies to food and beverages sold as meals in Fairfax County, regardless of where the food is prepared or consumed. Taxable items include hot or cold meals, made-to-order meals from deli counters, desserts, smoothies, and all beverages sold as part of a meal at restaurants and other food establishments.
Well, what is not taxed?
Several items are exempt from this tax, including factory and non-factory sealed beverages sold alone, grocery items, pre-packaged desserts, and snack foods when sold separately and not as part of a meal. Food and beverages sold through vending machines are also not subject to this tax.
Who collects the tax?
Many establishments, such as restaurants, cafes, bars, food trucks, coffee shops, ice cream parlors, convenience stores, movie theaters, sporting venues, caterers, and many more will be responsible for collecting this tax. Special rules apply to colleges, universities, hospitals, and industrial cafeterias. For colleges and universities, the tax only applies to sales to non-students, and non-employees are taxed, not to students or employees. For hospitals and nursing homes, only sales to employees and the public are taxed, not to patients or residents.
How is the tax calculated?
Let's break down how the tax is calculated and the seller's discount that may apply. For example, on a meal costing $75, the 4% food and beverage tax would be $3, and the 6% Virginia sales tax would be $4.50, for a total tax of $7.50. Businesses can also keep a portion of the tax collected as a seller's discount. Currently, this is 3% of the food and beverage tax collected when paid on time. So, for our $75 meal example, the seller's discount would be 9 cents, meaning the business would remit $2.91 to Fairfax County and $4.50 to Virginia. Please note that this discount will decrease to 1%, effective January 1st, 2028.
How is the tax paid?
Businesses collect the tax at the time of sale and hold it in trust for the county until remitted on or before the 20th of the following month. Monthly returns and payments can be made online at fairfaxcounty.gov/taxes/business/food and beverage. Businesses can also scan the QR code provided in their tax materials to access the payment portal.
What happens if businesses don't comply?
Businesses that fail to file and pay the required monthly tax will face penalties and interest. This includes a late payment penalty of 10%, plus 5% annual interest calculated monthly on the total tax and penalty owed. Additionally, late payers will be ineligible for the seller's discount that on-time payers receive.
Where can I find out more information about this tax?
For more information and specific examples for certain businesses, please visit fairfaxcounty.gov/taxes/business/food and beverage. You can also give us a call or send an email. Did this answer your question?
Yes, it did. Thank you.
Goodbye.